If we have to give you blood or blood products back, do you have any objection? Good. That's because you're having major surgery. Any metal?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I would like to wish you all lovely mothers happy Mother's Day. I'm going to share with you my journey that I went through to give birth to my son. Enjoy and have fun. So guys, as you know, in your first trimester it becomes really hard. I was really sick. I had my first ultrasound at 6 weeks and my daughter was really excited. I wasn't feeling better, but during my second trimester, around 5 months, I became better. I had my second ultrasound around 18 weeks. Then we booked for a photo shoot, which everyone was really excited. Then I had my last ultrasound at 38 weeks. Yes, as you can see the baby. And after my last ultrasound, I was admitted at Nana Ama Akumah Brisbane Hospital at the city on the 10th of October. That was where the journey started. So on the 10th of October, I was asked to bring my hospital bag. I was so excited. As you can see, we were driving to the hospital. Nana Ama Akumah Hospital, it's one of the biggest, and they got lovely nurses. Everyone was so nice. We went to the parking to park the car. I took my bag, went to the ward. I was given a bed. I was asked to select food from the screen. That was the best part of it. So guys, when I got to the ward, the first thing I had to do was to order some food. I was very, very hungry. As you can see, pregnant women, we always eat a lot. So I ordered for burger. The food was so good. It was so good. I loved it. So after I finished eating, they put the monitoring belt, the pink and the blue on my tummy to monitor the baby. I slept there for a little while. Then later on, they took me to the birthing unit to start with the process. This is what we're trying to do. So guys, do not judge me. Their food was so yummy to the extent that I always need to order something to eat. So I ordered this chicken, stir-fried chicken with rice, and they had this vanilla ice cream. Jeez, you guys need to taste this. It was so delicious. So after eating my big meal, I was sent straight to the birthing unit. So they were monitoring the child in my tummy, checking my abs, and as usual, everything. They were just monitoring everything. So guys, as you can see in the video, I was in so much pain. The contractions was just too much. As they were monitoring the child, the baby wasn't breathing. So I have to make a quick decision for them to rush me to the theater to do a C-section to bring the baby out. That was the best decision I have ever made.
Words. C-section, is that your colouring in contest, your signature down there? Yeah. Beautiful. Are you allergic to anything? Alright. If we have to give you blood or blood products back, do you have any objection? Good. That's because you're having major surgery. Any metal in your body? Contact lenses, hearing aids? Good. All your teeth your own? Excellent. Sugar problems, sister?
Just GDM and pregnancy, but stop monitoring at 36 or so weeks.
Beautiful. O positive. Okay.
It's nothing printed out, but there has been recent bloods that have been hold sent and everything.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just going to run and grab those drugs. It won't be a second, sorry.
Alright, Gladys.
So making a decision due to my son not breathing, it was really difficult. I was really scared, but thanks be to God, everything was successful. Baby came out breathing well, which is really exciting. Sorry guys for sharing all this with you, but I just want to encourage all mothers out there that God bless us all. If you're going to be a mother pretty soon, I wish you all the best. And if you're trying to have a child too, I wish you all the best. But shout out to all the mothers out there. It wasn't easy. Kudos.
Yeah.
picture?
Yep.
Have a look up here, Gladys.
So as you can see, my son came at 1 a.m. 1:06 a.m. and he was 3.6 kilos. He was 52 centimeters tall, and he actually came on the 39 weeks. He came on 39 weeks, so we couldn't complete the whole 40 weeks. He came on 39 weeks, and he was born on Wednesday. That is quite cool. Yes. I'd like to encourage all mothers or incoming mothers that it's not easy, but it's not scary as well. C-section, when nurses are making decisions, they know what is best for you. C-section is not scary as people seems to make it look like. But I encourage you to always make the right decision for yourself and the baby in case of any emergency or anything. Coming home with this much pains, I'd like to thank all family members for supporting me, going through all these pains. And I'd like to thank my beautiful daughter. She's been amazing. She's been a very good big sister. I love her so much. And as you can see, my baby boy is 7 months old now. He's super cute, and I love him so much. Once again, happy Mother's Day to all wonderful mothers out there. We love you all, and thank you for watching this lovely video. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell to get all videos, and comment below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Yay! If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Yay! If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.